Hi, this is Brielle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is my husband, Braden. And my dogs are here too. Today, I'm just going to be doing my nails at home. Oh! I'm going to be doing my nails at home. And it's because, these are growing out and I don't want to get my nails done. And I don't want to spend money on taking it removed either. So I'm going to be doing everything at home. And let's get started. To remove this, it has acrylic. I did acrylic and the gel on top. I have to remove first. So I bought this thing. It's called nail polish remover. Got the acetone to remove my nails, and it says that it can easily remove artificial nails, gel polish and stuff like that. So hopefully it will work for my nails too. And I just have to let my nails soak for 15 minutes after this.
15 minutes later.
15 minutes later.
Okay. So it's been longer than 15 minutes. I let it soak a little longer because I had acrylic nails. And this is what it looks like. It looks kind of gross right now. Acrylic is, came off. Now I just need to take those off by myself. And I'll be in the process of taking the, what's it called? The acrylic nails and the gel on top of it. Took forever for me. And I spent some time off the camera to shape my nails. I'm going to be doing gel nail polish, and I have like this box full of, I don't know if that's gonna, full of nail polish. It's from Amazon. I think it's like $25 for, I don't know, a lot of colors. So I found an inspo of what I wanted to do. I found it on Pinterest and I'm going to leave it here. Let's see if I can try to recreate that and make it similar to that. What we're going to need is this kind of paintbrush. It would be a lot better if you have a smaller one, but I don't, and I only have this. So it's still gonna work, I'm pretty sure. I just finished using this. I did 2 coats of that. It has a little peachy color, but still clear on my nails. And now I'm gonna do the white one. And I just went ahead and finished the other hand as well. Of the nails. Done with my nails. I did the side and finished putting the top coat and everything. What do you guys think? First, let me know what you think about it on a comment below. Well, that's it for today's video. I am obsessed with my nails and I hope you guys like it too. The overall process took about 2 hours. Yeah, it felt like it took forever with like removing and shaping the nails and painting, but I had fun. It wasn't too hard to do, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before I go, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!